Okay, so the question we have here is, in which quadrant does the angle -80 degrees drawn in standard position terminate? So the first thing I would do to answer a question like this is draw an axis and then go ahead and label that axis. So if we start at 0 degrees and rotate positively, if we rotate counterclockwise, this would be 90 degrees and this should be 180 degrees. But if we start at 0 and rotate clockwise negatively, this would be negative 90 degrees, and this over here would be negative 180 degrees. Okay, since our angle is negative 80 degrees, we want to draw that angle in standard position. This right here would be our initial side. Our initial side is always drawn on the positive x-axis or at 0 degrees. And then since our angle is negative 80 degrees, we're going to rotate down clockwise just 10 degrees short of negative 90 degrees. So negative 80 degrees. And this would be how you would draw the angle negative 80 degrees in standard position. Again, this would be our initial side, and this is what you would call the terminal side. And the reason why this is the terminal side is that's where the angle terminates. So where the angle starts is the initial side, where it terminates is where it finishes. Okay, so then the next thing we need to know here is the quadrants. So this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. So the answer to this question is quadrant 4 because our angle negative 80 degrees terminates or ends in quadrant 4. So now, just to answer this question correctly in Newton, it doesn't want you to type in quadrant 4. It just wants the number